We're in Oakland Township, Michigan, where we installed a backyard sump pump system. The yard was really flat, so when you would have hard rains and the water would start to collect, it would just work its way up towards the house, eventually flooding the walkout basement. What we did is we built this grate up. You can see how high we built the grate up. We cut the grade down behind the house so that water runs. There's the sump pump. The sump pump's running to drain the outdoor living space. There's the walkout. Water used to work its way up towards the back of the house. It was always soggy, always wet. What we did is we excavated the dirt in the backyard and we cut the grade down so that the water would run towards the back of the lot. We then built this retaining wall and took the dirt from the excavation and placed it behind the wall. All that stone you see is an open French drain. So when this water runs into that stone, it just finds its way into our French drain pipe, which is tied in to our outdoor sump pump. That's our outdoor sump pump pit. It's 5 feet deep. It's 5 feet deep so that it doesn't freeze in the winter. The frost typically only goes 3 feet. It's very, very rare to see it go 40 inches in this area of Michigan. We're 5 feet deep so that it'll never freeze. It'll work year round. We put a cast iron cover over top of it for safety. Today we have just a moderate rain and all the water is running off the house, running across the back of the yard here, into our open French drain, finding its way into the sump pump pit, where we have a sump pump that moves 160 gallons per minute. It's got a 2-inch discharge. Does a great job of keeping up with the heaviest of rains. It's cycling again. For an outdoor sump pump system in Oakland Township, Michigan, give us a call.